how to add a new page in Squarespace. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page in Squarespace. It's super simple. Stick with me till the end. So let's get started. First, head over to squarespace.com and log in using your email and password. Once you're in, click on the website where you want to add the new page. Now on the left sidebar, go to Pages. If you want your new page to show up in your site's navigation menu, you're going to click the plus sign next to Main Navigation. But if it's something like a privacy policy or terms and conditions that you don't want shown in the main menu, then click the plus sign next to Not Linked. I want my page to be visible in the menu, so I'm clicking under Main Navigation. Next, you'll see a list of different page types you can add. You've got options like blank page, blog, store, portfolio, events, video, course pages, all kinds of stuff. But for now, I'll go with a blank page. Now just give your page a name, let's say About Page. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Once it's created, click Edit at the top to start designing it. Click Add Section. You can either choose a blank section or one of these ready-made ones. For example, let's go with an image section to make it look nice. Once you're happy with how your page looks, just click Save at the top so you don't lose your work. Then exit the editor to check out your new page in preview mode. And that's it. That's how you add a new page in Squarespace. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.